Cocoa beet is ground from coconut shell after shredding and crushing. It is normally used for garden media and planting materials. This batch of cocoa beet comes from Sri Lanka. Dried products will be used to make high added value coconut brick. Now let's follow the camera to see how the cocoa beet is dried. Through conveyor or manual feeding, cocoa beet materials are sent to dryer. High temperature needed for drying is always provided by biomass burner. We normally choose coconut shell, wood chip, or similar biomass as fuel to realize waste resource recycling aim. Moisture of such cocoa beet after desalting and washing is higher than 75%. It is hard to reach satisfying effect through naturally sun drying. But professional dryer makes continuous industrial production come true. After drying, dried cocoa beet will be slightly cooled. After slightly cooling, dried cocoa beet enters static pressing machine. Under hydraulic cylinder force, high-strength coconut bricks are produced. These bricks can easily melt upon soaking in water.